Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to check whether a word is spelled correctly in a string. So I'm just going to call it spelling checker. We're going to be using Swift's inbuilt UITextChecker for this, so I'll show you guys how to do this. So let's just say we had a word, I don't know, so let's just say we had a word. Let's just create a string here. Let word is equal to hello. So that's our word. Now if I wanted to check this word, what I could do is if I create a word checker here, and this is a UI text checker like so, and then what we can do is we actually have to create a range so that we can just check this specific word. So to do that, it's pretty simple. We'll just create let text range is equal to ns range location 0, and then the length is just word dot count, like that. And then finally we have to check if the misspelt range is the same, so we just create text misspelt range is equal to checker dot range of misspelled words. And then here what we do is we just do in word starting at 0 range text range starting at 0, we're at false, and for the language we can just do whatever language you want to check it in. I'm going to check in English, so I'll just do EN, and that should make sure. And now all we have to do is to get if it's correct or not, we just do misspelled range dot location and equal to ns not found, and this is going to return a true or false value. So if it's false, it means the word is spelled correctly, I believe. Or no, if it's we'll see, I forgot. So let's see what it prints. And you can see it's print true, so true must mean correct. So if I were to misspell this word, if I just add a B at the end of it, then what it'll do is it should give us false, since this word is spelled incorrectly. So yeah, this is actually very useful. What you could do is you could actually turn this into a function. So if I were to check word and then the word would be a string and it would return a bool, we could just copy this, and instead of print that, we could just return that. So now what we can do is we can just print check word, and this should give us false. I mean, let's see, what's it spelled? No, true, because the word is spelled correctly. And you'll see it doesn't really matter about capitalization. Like if I were to just capitalize the E, then it wouldn't make a difference since it's still spelled correctly. But yeah, so this can help you just check if words are spelled correctly. If I were to, I don't know, put in hello world, now that's a sentence, so let's see how this works. It still spells true, so maybe it checks every word in the sentence. I'm not sure. If I were to add a B there, let's see if it'll work. Maybe it checks every word in the sentence. Yeah, so but the most reliable way is just check each word at a time. I believe that's probably the best way of doing it. So yeah, what I do is just make a word, and if it's a sentence you can separate the words yourself and then just put it into this function, and this function will tell you whether the word is spelled correctly or not correctly. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the future tutorial. Bye!